Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start paper trading on the TradingView mobile application, step by step. If you are a beginner and want to test your strategies without risking real money, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up, it's free. Once you're logged in, tap on the chart icon at the bottom. This is where we will be placing our trades. Now look for the small arrow icon or the bar below the chart. Tap on that to expand the trading panel. And tap on trade with your broker. Here you will see multiple options to connect through. Tap on paper trading. Then tap on connect. If this is your first time, you might need to tap authorize to confirm. Once it connects, you are good to go. Alright, now that your paper trading account is successfully connected in the TradingView app, let's explore how to actually use it. First, go to your watch list. Select any asset that you want to trade. I will go with this one. Now tap anywhere on the chart and then tap the trade button that appears. Now choose buy or sell depending on your market analysis. And just fill out the order. So here choose market to execute instantly, or you can choose limit to set your own price, take profit or stop loss, and this option is optional but recommended. Tap the buttons to add these values. Once done, tap buy or sell again to place the order. Once done, your paper trading will be live and visible directly on the chart. And that's it. You have just started paper trading on the TradingView app using your phone. It's a great way to practice your skills and test out new strategies before going live with real money. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.